Okay, let's keep going. So the negative 9/2 stays. It's basically like a constant coefficient, right? The 9 comes down. X to the 8, because we're going to minus 1 from the power. The plus 2 stays. The 4 comes down. X to the 3, because again, I'm going to do 4 minus 1, 3. So cleaning it up here, I have negative 81 halves x to the 8. Plus, here I have 8x to the 3. Next one. The negative 2/5 stays. The 7 comes down. X to the 6. Plus, let's rewrite this as 1/9 x negative 2. So the 1/9 actually stays. The negative 2 comes down. X negative 3. Now be careful with negatives. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. So our final product is negative 14/5 x6 plus negative 2/9 x to the negative 3. All right, let's do another set. The negative 9 stays. Let's quickly rewrite this as 3x negative 10. The 5 comes down. X to the 4. We have the 3 that stays. The negative 10 comes down. X to the negative 11. So this is negative 45 x to the 4 plus this is negative 30 x to the negative 11. Here we go. Let's see here. Let's rewrite this as 10/9 x negative 1. Let's rewrite this as negative 3/10 x negative 4. So now we're ready to go. The 4 stays. 6 will come down. X to the 5. Always minus 1 from the power. The 10/9 stays. Negative 1 comes down. X negative 2. Hopefully I haven't made any silly mistakes. Here I have minus 3/10 that stays. The negative 4 comes down. X negative 5. So rewriting this is 24x to the 5. This is minus 10/9 x negative 2. And this is positive 12/10 x negative 5. The 12/10 simplifies to 6/5. Yeah, don't forget to simplify fractions. All right, looks like I can. Okay, so continuing on here. Hopefully my video didn't mess up while I was pausing it to take a few more problems in here. But I'm going to rewrite this as 1/9 x negative 2. So we have here negative 2/5. The 7 comes down. It's now x to the 6 plus the 1/9 stays. The negative 2 comes down. X negative 3. So this is simply negative 14/5 x6 plus this is negative 2/9 x negative 3. And again, ask your teacher if you need to rewrite without negative powers. Okay, number 9 is a little different. We're going to rewrite it as 2x to the 8/5. Ooh, almost did it backwards. 5/8. X to the 5/8. So remember, our power is x5 there, and the 8th here is a root, which is the fraction part. That goes in the denominator. So hopefully you still remember your radicals like that. So now we're ready to go. The 2 stays. The 5/8 comes down. Okay. And x is going to be negative 3/8. Now the trick here is because our fraction is 8, we're going to minus 8 over 8 because that's minus 1. So hopefully you're still pretty decent with fractions. But finishing up, that right there is 10/8, which I'm going to reduce to 5/4, x to the negative 3/8. So right here, you see, we could write it as 5/4 and say it's x cubed, 8th root of x cubed if we wanted to. So again, you have to ask your teacher whether or not you have to rewrite it with positive radicals and powers. Okay? But hopefully my videos are coming out pretty good.